Now we'll try to learn how to make line charts. Another way to compare our data is by the use of line chart. Line charts are used when we have time component in our data set. In this example, we'll try to use the company data set over here with its revenue from 2015 to 2019. You have to first select your data, just like what we did in bar chart and column chart, for us to be able to create a line chart. And then we will utilize the insert tab here and select this option here, which is for line chart. Now we'll try to inspect the data source of our chart by right-clicking on the chart and clicking select data over here. This window will show us the data source of the chart. So here we see the data range, which is the selected table over here. Now, there are many ways to add additional series in your chart. One way is to update the data range here. So you can actually just select another set of cells over here so that your chart will be updated as well. As you can see, we have added another line here, and we can also see it here in the list of series over here. You can also use these buttons to add, edit, or remove some series which you may need in the chart. And there's also an option for us to switch rows and columns by clicking this button. So what happens here is this list will be on your horizontal category, while this one will be placed here. Now, the way to update your horizontal labels, you can select this and select the list of cells that you want to be your label. That's how we create line charts. We also have the same exact chart elements here to update the information on your chart. So you can also select this to add title, or select this to include legends, or add or remove grid lines using this button here. In summary, we have learned that we will use line chart to show trends or changes over time. And for some of the best practices, always try to remove distracting elements and avoid using more than 7 lines, because usually our chart becomes cluttered.